This 35 kilo petting house, which is in pristine shape, has been sitting in the back of my videos for forever, and I finally decided I'd like to sell it. So if anyone is interested, I know it's a stretch because I'm in Taiwan, but just get a hold of me and see if we can work it out. So today I'm going to make a more traditional box jaw tongue. I'm upsetting the ends just to give myself a little bit more material. The stock I'm starting with is 13 millimeters. I need to give a very big shout out to two guys for their recent extremely generous donations to the channel. They are Guy Carpino and Warren Clay. They went the extra mile to help out, and I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot, fellas. This little square swage has come in pretty handy for me of late. I like having single-use swages because there's nothing to get in the way. Sometimes when you have them on one single block, you might have a bit of an obstruction or you can't rotate it 90 degrees. So as you can probably see, I'm making these box jaws to hold on edge and not flatwise. part of the reason for wanting to get rid of the petting house anvil is I want to scale back some in 2026. I want GS tongs to be a select variety of tongs and not much else, and so I want to specialize my tooling more and eliminate excess. I really don't like grinding, but a little bit of cleaning up can really help with the final adjusting. This is the size that I'm making this tong to hold, 1/2 by 1/4 inch. This is a really stout-jawed tong. So there it is, a GS Tongs box jaw tong. I want to take a sec here to wish everyone who supports the channel in any capacity a very Merry Christmas. And you know, in 2026, we've got a lot more fooling around to do.